Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We have here the Realme Watch 5 smartwatch, and the other one, a popular smartwatch from iTel, the iTel Smartwatch Storm Ultra, or the iTel O23 Smartwatch. On this video, we are going to compare the design, the specs, as well as the UI of these wearables. So if you are interested to see the difference between the two wearables when it comes to design, specs, and UI, watch this video. And again, if you find this video useful, like, share, and subscribe. Alright, so let's begin and explore the design, specs, and UI of the Realme Watch 5 versus the iTel Storm Ultra. Okay, so let's start with the packaging first. As you can see here, both do have a box. Okay, compact box packaging. With the Realme Watch 5, we do have a preview here of the device, features on the side, and some few details about the wearable on the box. More on the address here for the manufacturer. Okay, we do have some features on this side, and we have the QR code for the support app. While for the Smartwatch Storm Ultra, we do have some details here. We do have the specs, a preview of the smartwatch, and at the back we do have the full specifications of the wearable, as well as some features here, and the mark of authenticity here for the smartwatch. Both do have a light, durable box and elegant packaging. Next, for the design of the wearable, both do have a Watch Ultra inspired design. As you can see here, on the side we do have a crown button here, and the physical button here, another physical button for our Storm Ultra, the return button, and can be configured to have a specific function. While for the Realme Watch 5, instead of a button, we do have a speaker. Both do have a rotary function. Okay, this is for the menus. For the Storm Ultra, you can use it to change the watch face and to navigate on the menus. Flat screen here, while for our Storm Ultra it is a bit 2.5D tempered glass. Again, on the side, the back, on the other side, both do have a flexible silicone strap with a steel buckle here. This one plastic for our Realme Watch 5, stainless steel for our Storm Ultra. Again, for the design, the Watch 5 is a bit thicker compared to our Storm Ultra here, if we'll base it on the looks. Let's check later on. Let's check the measurement. So which do you think is better in terms of design? Glossy type, flat color for our Watch 5. Okay, next, let's have the dimension. Okay, let's put it here. So for the dimension, we have 40.9. The other one, without the physical button, (39.1). For the length, 46.9 or 47. The other one, 49. Okay, so longer width or length for our iTel. Then for the thickness, Let's double check. 11.8 for the Storm Ultra. 10.7. Okay, that is for its dimension. The next, let's have the weight. 00. Again, for the Realme Watch 5, we have 52. While for our smartwatch Storm Ultra, it is around 58. Again, 52 lightweight for our Realme Watch 5 compared to the Storm Ultra. Okay. Then next, let's go with the specifications. Again, for the material, both do have a steel or metal body frame. For the specifications, going to put it here on the side. The Realme Watch 5 do have a 1.97 inch AMOLED screen display, 2.02 inch TFT LCD screen. For the pixel resolution, 390 by 450, 320 by 390 pixel resolution. Better screen display for our Realme Watch 5. For the connectivity, both do have a Bluetooth 5.3. For the battery, 460 mAh battery, 300 mAh battery. Both do have an IP68 waterproof rating. It is using the iTel Support App. This is one. Again, the Storm Ultra is using the iTel Support App, while for the Realme Watch 5, it is using the Realme Link Support App. Check out the specs on this side. Okay, next, let's have the UI. For the UI, settings and options here on top, we have, yes, the same, but more options here for our Watch 5. On the bottom part, we have notifications. On the other side, we have a split screen. This one, it is a dashboard for common apps. On the right side, we have the widgets. To access the main menu, just press the power button. The same with our Storm Ultra. Okay, so that's it for the comparison review of the specs, design, and the UI of the Realme Watch 5 versus the Storm Ultra Smartwatch by iTel. On our next video, we are going to compare the menus and features. Again, like, share, and subscribe.